If Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete. DJ Jerryman, no cooler, because no praise, no praise, no praise, no praise. DJ Jerryman, no praise, because no praise. DJ Jerryman, no pura. If Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete. Because no praise remain, no praise. Because no praise remain. DJ Jerryman, it's your Jerryman, no pura. If Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete. Because stop praise, stop praise, stop praise. DJ Jerryman, sign up. Now praise the Lord. Village trouble pack load. Now praise the Lord. DJ Jerryman, open the heavens. Now praise the Lord. DJ Jerryman, raise the sound higher. Some wahala no start today. Some trouble for no blessing from village, but tonight praise go handle up. Village trouble back load.
Village trouble pack load.
Village trouble
Well,
back load.
I feel we should continue, but so far we have been on it from worship all the way to praises, and now I'm gradually rounding up now. See you again. Please, I don't really have schedule for now, for one reason or the other, until some needs are met. Please, you can kindly follow the account so that you won't miss out. God bless you. DJ Jerryman live in the studio with original song produced right from the studio. God bless you. And also made available in all music app store that you can actually access. God bless you. DJ Jerryman is the artist. You can access them there and make your choice. Some people like worship more than praise. You make your choice there. God bless you. I really appreciate your support in one way or the other. Welcome on board. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Let me know where you are watching from. God bless you.